In this video, we're going to focus on creating a new Google form. So when you are in your Google Drive, you're going to go to New, and then you notice it says Docs, Sheets, and Slides, so you're going to click on More, and then you're going to choose Google Form. Now, this automatically pulls up a blank Google form, just like in Google Docs. You can title the form. So if you want to create a survey or whatever this is for, and that puts the title right in here, you can type in a description. So if I want this to be student survey on Unit 1. So now this creates your title and any description that you want to share with the students. And then you can start creating your questions. Notice this right now is a multiple choice question. If you would like to change the question type, you just click on the multiple choice and then you can choose text, which is essentially a single word answer. Paragraph text allows students to type in a longer answer. Multiple choice, you can choose check boxes, you can have them choose from a list, or you can even focus on maybe a scale. You know, how difficult was this for you? A scale of 1 to 5. And then you can also make it required. If you choose this required question, it will not let students submit until they have answered that question. So if you want this to be a text question, you can start out by saying name. Help text is just something that shows right underneath. You can say last comma first. Maybe that's how I want them to put it. And then if you want to go into advanced settings, you can, but that's not necessary. When you finish, you hit done, and that creates your first question. Now, if you change your mind and you want to go back and edit, you just click on this pencil. That will edit the question for you. If you want to copy, you just click this second button in that says duplicate, and that actually creates the same question for you. If you say, oh, I did that on accident, I don't need that, you hit the trash can and it deletes it. So that is how you create a Google form and you create questions. If you look at the bottom, the confirmation page, this is once students hit submit, it will say your response has been recorded. If you want to change that, you can say your response has been recorded. We will discuss the survey tomorrow. You can add anything to the confirmation page. Up at the top, you see form settings. So if you want the progress bar for students to see that they're 50% of the way through or that they're 25% of the way through, you can. You can also have students log in to only allow one response per person, or you can shuffle the question order. So these are the general settings of Google Forms on how to create questions. We will look next at how to change the theme and your background of your Google form.